Hey everybody, this is your buddy your pal London Hawthorne, and I'm here with another unboxing. This ship from Houston, Texas, and on the side it says, "On this day I see clearly." So that makes me think it's Edge. All the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. I'll actually be, hopefully, if all goes well, going to WrestleMania in Arlington next year in April 3rd week. I can't wait. I had tickets for the 2020 WrestleMania in Florida, but that didn't work out. But, you know, things happen for a reason. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe. Please share. Check out some of my other videos. Got some cardboard. Right here, we have a Series 13 Edge basic figure. Right here. Also in this line was Buddy Murphy, Drew McIntyre, who I just met, by the way, John Cena, and Mia Yim. Very cool. It actually looks more like a Riddle. It looks more like Matt Riddle's face than Edge's face. Look at it. It really does. I really think they just used Matt Riddle's head. I don't know. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe. Please share. Check out some of my other ones. If you want to help support my channel and you like cool t-shirts, go to riptapparel.com. That's riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Save a couple bucks off every shirt order. Use my username, London Hawthorne, when you're checking out. Or just cash at me at London Hawthorne. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.